Here I have HONOR Magic4 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. Then, just for an example, let's take one photo with this feature enabled. Okay, so as you can see, when you taking the photo with the front camera for the first time, it asks you if you want to enable this mirror reflection feature. So you can just take it here, or if you skipped this step accidentally, you can go to settings and then disable mirror reflection here. And now, as you can see, these photos are mirrored. This one with mirror reflection on and this one with mirror reflection off. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.